Now let's begin with the second example using Caesar Cipher. We have our plaintext message, that is cat, and we need to encrypt that message into our ciphertext message. So for encryption, we are using this formula like C is equal to P plus 3 mod of 26. So first of all, we have to identify the index of our plaintext message. So for index, we are referring this table. For C, we are taking the value 2. For A, we are taking the value 0. And for T, we will take the value 19. So write down all the indexes, whatever the plaintext is there, like 2, then 0, and then 19. Now, according to the formula, we have to add plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 mod of 26. So 5 plus, so 5 mod 26, we will get the value 5. Then 0 plus 3 mod of 26. Whenever we are doing 0 plus 3 mod of 26, we will again get 3 mod 26 is equal to 3. And then 19 plus 3 mod of 26, we will get the value 22 mod 26 is equal to 22. So for 5, we can write the ciphertext as F. For 3, we are taking the ciphertext as D, and for 22, we will get the ciphertext as W. So for cat, we will get our ciphertext message, that is F, D, and W. So cat is our plain text and our ciphertext is F, D, and W. For decryption, we are using this formula like C minus 3 mod of 26. So how we are using that formula? Whenever we got our plain text message to ciphertext message, that time again we are writing the index of that ciphertext message. So for F, we can write 5, for D, we can write 3, and for W, we can write 22. And now we have to use this formula that is written above, that is 5 minus 3 mod of 26. So 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2, and 2 mod 26 we will get the value 2. Then again 3 minus 3 mod of 26. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and 0 mod 26 we got the value 0. Then 22 minus 3 mod of 26, we will get the value 19, and 19 mod 26, again we got the value 19. So for 2 we can write the character C, for 0 we can write A, and for 19 we can write T as per the above table. So our ciphertext message, that is FDW, can be decrypted, and after decryption we got the plaintext message, that is cat. So we have done with our encryption as well as our decryption as per these two formulas.